Yeah, good morning everyone. How are you and how is your weekend? As you all know, we had agreed that we would meet today, Saturday, 2 p.m. So that I would guide everyone on how to access the Muele and be able to do quizzes successfully or access any other materials like notes that the lecturers would have sent on Muele. Because the quiz was postponed and I also got some small engagements, I only decided to record this video. It is a screen recorder, a screen recorder to show you how you can do that yourself. So you can refer to this video anytime, even in the future. First of all, my name is Richard Nizeimana. I'm a coordinator, a second year coordinator at the College of Education and External Studies, and I'm the chief coordinator currently. So I'm happy that you are also taking your time to watch this video, your time and data until the end, because this is going to be important, and I hope you who is watching it, you are the one who will also teach your fellows. So this video will cover how to access your Muele, how to access notes, how to access quizzes and attempt quizzes and submit them successfully. So I'm going to be very brief so that the video doesn't become very long and consume a lot of your data, but make sure you also take your time to watch it. Okay, now let's start. If you want to access Muele, a quiz on Muele or notes on Muele, first of all you should have a Muele account. That means you got someone who helped you to create a Muele account which is active. They created for you a webmail and successfully created for you a Muele account, and you know the details of your Muele account. That's your username and password. So after having known, if you have those ones, this is how we are going to access the quiz. If you don't have the Muele accounts, those ones you will keep talking to me, and with time I'll come and support you. I come and support you and show you how I open for you the Muele accounts. But if you have the Muele account, this is what you do. First of all, as we always tell you, Chrome is the most convenient browser when you are going to do a quiz or when you are going to do anything from Muele. So we shall use our browser of Google Chrome, not Google. There is Google and Chrome, so Chrome is better. So you go in your apps and get Chrome. My Chrome is here. My Chrome is here. I open my Chrome, and immediately it opens, I click up here and type Muele. I can click on what comes, like Makerere University e-learning, and I open that. When I do that, the login page appears, and this is the login page. So when the login page comes, I put my username, that's my username, and I put my password. After putting my password, I click login. So you wait for your Muele to login. I think my network is a bit poor, but it's going to work. Yeah, now this is the login page. My Muele has already logged in. So if you are going to do a quiz or if you are going to do the notes, the first thing you should get in mind is which lecturer sent you to do a quiz or to get resources from Muele. That means you will be searching for the course unit of that lecturer from Muele, because Muele contains course units of people of all colleges within the university. So it's upon you to search which course unit the lecturer did what the lecturer told you. So when we reach on this page, I think you can see we have some 3 dots at the top right here, around here, and we have other 3 dots around here. So we shall use these ones, the down ones. Some people, they may come this side, the right side. So when you click on these lines, they will show these 3 options: home, webmail, and colleges. We shall click on colleges. The reason we click on colleges is because we want a search box to appear. I think you can see this search box that has appeared. Let's say it is the EDT lecturer who sent you to do a quiz or to get notes from Muele. you will search for the EDT course, and EDT is Teachers Professional Ethics. You can decide to search using the course code or search using the course name. The course name is Teachers Professional Ethics. The course code is EDT 1101. So let's search using the course code maybe for now. It doesn't matter whether you write in small letters or capital letters. What matters is leaving a space inside or not leaving a space. Let's search for EDT 1101. So when I write the course code, I search. Yeah, we search and see. Aha, good. Now, when I tried to search for EDT 1101, they told me no courses, you can see here down. No courses were found with the words EDT 1101. That's absurd. But the reason why that happened, I think it is because the lecturer made a mistake in typing the code and he left a space between EDT. Maybe he left a space here between EDT and 1101. Let me try to leave the space and search. Very good. Now, when I search leaving a space between this code, you can see it shows. It comes EDT 1101 Teachers Professional Ethics. And they show us the lecturers Cornelius Emperor Peter Senkusu. So that means it is the right course. As I told you, even if you search using the course name, still it comes. Let's search with the course name. Teachers, if you don't know the code, you can search with the course name. Teachers Professional Ethics. Right? I search for it. You see, they are bringing for me medical teacher, professional ethics, and EDT is coming. EDT 1101. Still it did what? Still it has come. So what we do, we click on this course exactly here. When you click on it, that means you are going to enroll. Someone was asking, how do we enroll? To enroll, it is searching for that course unit and click on it. And options will come when you scroll down. Are you seeing something? They are telling us no enrollment key. What? Required. An enrollment key is like a password which a lecturer may put so that people who are not his students cannot access the work. And when he puts an enrollment key, he gives it to you in class. You understand? But now he removed the enrollment key. You see they are saying self-enrollment or student. So what you do immediately to access the course content, maybe we are going to do the quiz or we are going to get notes, you say enroll me. You click here on this button of enroll me. And it will load and bring the course content. Is loading. Have you seen? It has loaded and has brought all topics that are in the course. You see? Announcements, resources, teachers code of conduct, that is part of the course. There is quiz number 2, November 2022, first quiz November 2022. Topic 1, meaning of ethics, modern. All the topics are listed here and the notes are there. So if we wanted like notes, for example, this topic of for example, this topic of self-awareness, you see there is there are these notes of introduction to emotional learning. If you want the notes, you just click and they download. So that's the first thing. That's the first thing to know how to get notes. When you click, they download, and they have opened automatically. But for you may need to say open with something like that, and they open. So you can see those are the notes which we found there for that topic of self-awareness. Any notes, getting any notes, that's how it is done. You just see the topic which you want. For example, the first topic here, and click on the notes you want. Like this PowerPoint presentation, maybe it is the one he was using to teach you in the lecture. When I click on that PowerPoint presentation, wow, it downloads automatically and I can click on open and open it with my WPS. Are you seeing? So that is the presentation he was using in the lecture. The two types of ethics, rule guided, something like that. So that's how generally we get notes. I think this is simple and we are moving together. So when you want to now access a quiz, for the quiz it is also almost the same way. you look for the topic which you are on, because the lecturer gives a quiz on the topic which you are currently doing. For example, if we are on topic 1, the quiz might be listed here. But since I'm not seeing any quiz on this topic number 1, let's see on topic number 2. There is a quiz. They are showing us quiz number 2, March 2022. Are you remember saying here? Yeah, quiz number 2, March 2022. We go to the third topic. There are discussion questions. We go to the same topic. Quiz number 3, self-awareness. Quiz number 3. So all these quizzes are quizzes which of people of our year. They haven't uploaded a newer quiz for you people, because you can even see the dates which are there. November 2022, and we are not in November. You can see even on this quiz number 3, they are saying to be done on the 23rd of December between 10 and 11 p.m. So 23rd November, that one was also done by us. You can see even the final quiz for year 1 students, January 2023, also that one it is us who did it. So when you want a quiz, you just check in this list and see the name of the quiz and the date. If the date matches with the date which the lecturer told you, then that's the quiz. And another simplest way actually to get a quiz, when you click on announcements, when a lecturer has uploaded a quiz, among here on the announcements, it is there. They tell you have a quiz on Sunday at this time. Or you can also go to click on calendars. It also shows you the announcements. So, but let's say now, because we don't have any quiz that we shall use to display, let me use the quizzes which we people did. Let's say this was your quiz, this quiz 2 of November 2022. If you have come to do it, the first thing I want you to understand is that Muele quizzes are timed. The lecturer sets the quiz to open at 10 p.m. and it cannot open before 10 p.m. and he sets it to close at maybe 10:59, and immediately that time reaches, it closes. That means when you come before time, you can't get the quiz, and when you come after time, you can't get the quiz. So it is upon you to be alert. Immediately when time reaches, you make sure that you were already logged in, you click and start the quiz. They always set objective questions. Those objective questions, each objective question spend only 40 seconds and it goes. 40 seconds it goes. So if the 40 seconds go without you clicking the right answer, then that one goes and you miss it. And if the time limit reaches before you complete, the quiz will close automatically and submits automatically. So that means you are losing marks. Another thing you have to know, Muele quizzes are marked automatically. The lecturer will have already given Muele the marking guide. That means after doing the quiz, when the quiz closes, you can be able to see your marks, and I will show you how to see the marks. Yeah, if this video becomes too long, I think you can access Wi-Fi or whatever, but it is better to watch it until the end. So let's use this sample of this quiz number 2. When you click it, it brings the page. When you click it, I want you to see what it is showing me. Quiz number 2, November 2022. It is saying this quiz will open at 10 p.m. Are you seeing how they are specific? This quiz will open at 10 p.m. and close at 10:50 p.m. 26th November 2022. So we are not in 26th November 2022. But even your quiz, when the lecturer puts it there, that's what it will be showing you. For you, they will be telling you this quiz will open maybe on on 17th September 2022 10 p.m. and closes at 10:50 p.m. That means if you don't go at 10 p.m., if you go beyond 10:50 p.m., you won't find it. And if you go before 10 p.m., you won't find the quiz. And they are telling me this quiz will be available until Tuesday 10th October 2023 6:05 p.m. This quiz will close on Tuesday this time. So the quiz, and they're telling me the quiz is not currently available. But for you, when your lecturer puts there the quiz, they will be showing the quiz is available. Here on this word where they are showing us back to course, For you, they won't show you that one. Instead, they will show you a button that attempt quiz. And the button appears when the time reaches. When the lecturer has told you 10 p.m., that's immediately when that button will appear, which says attempt quiz. And when you you say attempt quiz, and it is already time, trust me, the first question of the quiz appears. The first question comes, you read the question and tick the most appropriate answer. The objectives, you know, you just tick and say next. Tick next until you finish your 40 objectives. There are always 40 or 30 objectives. You read through the question, tick, say next. Tick next. So you should be having a good network so that you will not miss out, or your network will be slow and it delays you, yet the time is always counted. Even the time limit is shown whenever you are attempting a quiz. You see it counting down. Tam, tam, ta, 20 minutes left. Ta, the pressure comes on you. 30 minutes left. Twa, twa, the pressure comes on you. So it is upon you to read with care and tick the answer and say next. Tick the answer, say next. Then when you are done with all objectives, a button is always there saying submit. So you click on submit. When you click on submit, they will bring all the questions and the answers you put, so that you can review and see if you made a mistake anywhere and you change your answer. But that one cannot happen if time got you, because if time gets you, you will not have that time to review. So after reviewing, you can say submit final quiz. You understand? So it's better to work in time so that you are able to even have that time for review. So yeah, it is unfortunate that there is no current ongoing quiz I would have used to as a demo, but the most important thing is coming on this page and you follow the procedures. You cannot fail when you are here. It is a matter of saying attempt quiz, then you follow, tick the right one, say next, tick the right one, say next, and at the end you say submit. When you say submit for the first time, they list your questions for review, and then after reviewing you say submit. So submit, in short, you submit 2 times. The first time is for review and the next time is the final submission. So after that one, when you have finished submitting that quiz, you wait for the deadline of the quiz to reach. If they say it will close at 10:50 p.m., that's when your marks come of the quiz, the marks of the quiz. How do you see the marks of the quiz? Now what you do, you only come here, you first click in EDT, so that you are in EDT, in the page of EDT, like this one we are on now, and you come on this. Now we use these 3 lines which are up this time. If you want to see the marks, you click on these 3 lines and they'll bring this dashboard, and to show you that we are in the course unit of EDT 1101. If it is not showing you EDT 1101, you first have to search for it like we did at first. You go in it, and then you can come here on grades. You can see we have participants, badges, competencies, grades. We come on grades. That's where you see the marks, but they come when the quiz has already closed. So we click on what? On grades, and let it load, and we see. Aha, very good. When you click on grades, it will bring EDT. It has brought EDT 1101, Teachers Professional Ethics topic. Now it will show you the topics and the quizzes you have ever done. So you will look for that quiz which you have done that day. For example, we were using quiz number 2, November 2022, and it is here. So you scroll and see how many marks do you have. You look here, the marks will be here. Me, I don't have marks because maybe, yeah, those marks are not there because I didn't do that quiz. Let me see if there is any quiz which has marks. Yeah, they are no longer there because the lecturer updated for you people, but I was having all the marks for these quizzes here. So the marks display here. The marks display here on this field. Calculated weight, grade, range, percentage, contribution to course. So that's how you can see your marks. So generally that's how you can access the quiz and notes on Muele. If you have any questions, please let me know in my inbox. Of course, I always have a big load of messages, but A day cannot pass before receiving feedback from me. I reply in short within 24 hours. So hope this video is helpful. Please share it to your fellows, and whenever you have challenges, you reach me out. Feel free to reach me out. I'm there to help whenever I'm free. So I think I can now log in out of my Muele account, and I wish you the best of your weekend. Thanks for watching.